Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, today I am sharing some yoga therapies that will release tensions from your body and mind and they calm your nervous system. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first therapy. For that, sit on your mat comfortably. Take a deep inhale, slowly exhale 3 times. Sit with chin mudra, the dhyan mudra. Now be with me. 3 times we will chant Om. Again one time, deep inhale, slowly exhale. Slowly you can open your eyes. Now the second therapy is sitting twist. For that no need to change your posture. With this posture start with your right hand. Your right hand on your left knee and your left hand on your back. Like this. Right? With inhale, twist your body towards your left side. Exhale. Now the another side, same process. Inhale, turn your body towards your right. Exhale. Minimum 3 times in a day. Do this yoga therapy. That yoga therapy will calm your nervous system. Exhale. Exhale. Be with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now the third yoga therapy. For that, lie down on your mat comfortably. Now bend your both knees. Now like this, join your both soles together. Now put your both foots on the floor. Now loose your body. No need to control your breath here. Minimum 10 breaths. Stay here. That yoga therapy will release all the tensions from your body and your mind. That will calm your nervous system. Minimum 10 breaths, maximum as much as you can. Now the next therapy. For that, be with this posture. Join your both legs together, both knees together. Now move your both legs towards your left side. Your right hand, your head should be moved towards your right side. Supta Vakrasana. Exhale. Inhale, opposite side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Minimum 10 times you can practice this yoga therapy. After that, release the posture, relax your breath and your body. So friends, do these yoga therapies regularly and get positive results. Namaste, take care and be connected.